Hi guys, Huawei here. So Gap Season 8 is almost over with just a week left. So today, let's talk about what are the quests that you can still do in span of 1 week. So without further ado, let's dive into the gameplay. First one is Arena of Fate, Fame of Pendant quest. So if you are a new player, all you need to do is download the game, play some matches, and level up your YGG pendant into level 5. Next one is the Mystery Society inside the Mystery Circle quest. All you need to do is play a game with 10 people in the lobby, whether private or public room. Then take a screenshot in the lobby and in-game post it on X or Twitter. Next game is Champion Tactics, one of my favorite game in Gap Season 8. So for this quest is Grimorian Novice and Town Crier. All you need to do is finish up the training quest inside the game and it should take less than a day to finish this, guys, trust me. So second one is you need to stream this game for at least 30 minutes on Twitch or X. And lastly, for the premium quest of this game, all you need to do is kill the 100 statues or enemies. So I am confident to say that you can finish this quest for at least 1 or 2 days. And lastly, for Parallel, the Rookie Player quest. Note, guys, that this quest is for new players only. So all you need to do is play the game and the tutorial and you are good to go. So that's it, guys, for the doable quest that you can still grind, but of course try to explore still some of the game that you can think you can finish. So that's it, guys. See you in the next one.